Once it starts in the community, it goes very, very quickly.
Governor Chris Sununu listens to leadership at University of Louisville Hospital about the challenges they've faced during a COVID surge.
I think what the hospitals here are doing with therapeutics, being very aggressive about administering therapeutics early on, is keeping folks outside of the hospitals. Some of the innovative ways of trying to hang on to staff.
Sununu took state and hospital officials with him to Kentucky today to meet with those on the front lines and learn from their experience as one of the hardest hit states in the U.S.
Kentucky is actually very similar to New Hampshire in that there are very rural areas, there are small cities.
According to CDC data, over the last 7 days, the average daily cases per 100,000 people in Kentucky is 84, compared to 108 in New Hampshire. Kentucky is averaging 3 deaths, opposed to 1 in New Hampshire. New hospital admissions this week are up 15% in Kentucky. That number is 52% in the Granite State.
All of the healthcare systems, have regular calls to try to help to figure out, how can Northern Kentucky support Louisville? How can Louisville support Lexington?
Sununu also met with Kentucky's governor, a Democrat.
There's no politics involved. I know folks like to, play a political side one way or the other. We never have done that in New Hampshire, and again, we're just looking for the best ideas in the walls of the hospitals to make sure that when push comes to shove, we can provide the best possible care.
According to the governor's office, Dean Kamen offered his private plane and flew New Hampshire's officials to Kentucky at no cost to the state. Reporting live, Mike Cronin, WMUR News 9.
Mike, thank you. Well, tonight, New Hampshire Democrats are criticizing the governor's trip. They say it doesn't make sense that Sununu chose Kentucky, the home state of Senate Minority Leader Mitch McConnell.
It's just bizarre that Chris Sununu left the state of New Hampshire, for the day just to go to out-of-state hospitals in Kentucky instead of focusing on the crises here in New Hampshire. It just seems odd to us.
Sununu's office says the trip was only focused on COVID and that the governor did not notify or meet with anyone from Kentucky's congressional delegation.